Hey, welcome to my unboxing of the Galaxy S23, which I pre-ordered on Thursday this week. And already yesterday, on a Saturday, I had a box arriving at my home from Samsung. And let's open the box and see the green S23 in 256 gigabyte of storage. I was very surprised. It was very, very quick. Pre-ordered on Thursday, arriving on a Saturday. I was struggling with myself because all my previous Galaxy smartphones have been black or gray, and I was struggling with myself to either order the gray version or not, the green version or not. And I did it. I'm very happy that I did it because the green is beautiful. You have to see it for yourself. It doesn't. I think this video is the one which is actually showing the true real color, green color. On other videos it seems a really intensive green, but it isn't. It's changing the color. Sometimes it's silver, sometimes it's very light green. It's a beautiful color, and it's a beautiful finish of the phone. I'm very happy with it, and I'm very happy I went for the green version. So if you are struggling to order the black or the green version, don't hesitate, go for the green. It's beautiful. It's not green, it's kind of silverish, like I said already. I am using the device since yesterday already, and I had a Galaxy S22 prior to this. And I wasn't so happy about the battery lifetime. It was shit. As you know, the battery was 3,700 milliampere. They did increase the battery in the S23 to 3,900 milliampere. And I have to say I'm very happy compared with the Snapdragon Gen 2 processor. The battery life is wonderful comparing to my S22. I also run some Geekbench tests for myself. I mean, I already see the improvement in the speed by using the device, but as I was doing the Antutu benchmark, which you will see at the end of the video, it's amazing. It's twice the power of the Galaxy S22. So I hope finally to have received the right unit. I was always changing my Galaxy smartphones. I'm a Samsung fanboy for sure, but I never was satisfied with the performance of the processor, of the Exynos processor here in Germany. So I'm really happy they went for the Snapdragon Gen 2, and I really didn't hesitate. I just ordered immediately the S23 only because of the Snapdragon, and I'm very happy that I did so. So now you will see some footage of the color. Enjoy, it's really beautiful.